Kim Kardashian's skin looks tighter and firmer than ever at 45. Is it all lasers and fillers and things you don't even know, maybe even surgery? Or is it something else going on? Today, I'm going to decode what keeps her skin firm and youthful, and how you can get similar results with smart regenerative skincare and not surgery. Hey divas, I'm Nancy at Skin Diva Labs, and we help women over 40 get glowing and going with gorgeous skin. So here's what celebrities are doing now, and there's some tricks, and I've seen plastic surgeons that really know how to fix somebody up over the weekend. But you'll see things like Ultherapy, which is high-intensity ultrasound. You'll see lasers for tightening. You'll see fillers. You'll see biostimulants that are like hyperdilute radius. All different things that are available for making the skin tighter and firmer. And from my standpoint, anti-aging, you should get rid of the word and talk about regenerative skincare, because you can get all the Botox and all the fillers that you want, but your skin vitality and how your skin is actually sitting on your face or your body, it still makes a difference in the quality of your skin texture. So don't think that fillers and Botox are just going to do the job by itself, because it won't. Even especially fillers or biostimulants, they will go away. So let's get down into the nitty-gritty of why Kim Kardashian has really, really fabulous skin. And it's not just the way she eats, but it's also some of the products that she's using. So from a standpoint of skincare, there's all the anti-aging products, and then there's regenerative skincare. It's that skincare that works deep in the dermis layer down below, underneath, that helps to regenerate the skin and repair the skin. So it doesn't matter whether you have hormone issues, menopause issues, pigmentation, sun damage, you ate too much sugar, whatever the damage is to your skin, it's about repairing the skin cells so that you have new skin, firmer skin, tighter skin coming to the surface. And you might ask, how do I do that? Well, in today's ingredient list of fabulous ingredients in skincare, there's many things like peptides, and there's not just one peptides. These are amino acids that help to rebuild the collagen, the elastin in the skin. They also are responsible for having different messages. So one may help work with the firmness. Another one may help with the hydration of the skin. There's also things like ceramides, NAD plus boosters. They help with repairing the DNA and the cellular structure so that your cells can repair the damage that has been done. On the inside part, you want to make sure that what you're eating from a nutrition standpoint, avoiding sugar. Sugar is like the plague for the skin. It is what it will decay your skin. The more sugar you eat, the more your skin's going to show it. And what ends up happening is your skin doesn't have firmness. It's almost like pliable. The other things that really affect your skin is processed foods, any kind of chemicals, and really trying to stay with a whole food diet and making sure that you're getting enough fruits, enough vegetables, and really maintaining that nutrient balance. I don't have to tell you about alcohol, because you know it's a sugar feeder, and other things in your diets that are going to dehydrate your skin. Those are things that you're going to see in your skin long after. You can try to regenerate skin cells, but dehydration is one of the biggest problems. So you want to make sure that not only are you hydrating with water, but you're also hydrating with lipids. And from a biobarrier repair process, There's only Skin Diva Labs that I know of that actually truly works as a system to actually repair the cells from the inside out. The cleanser and the toner work to actually prep the skin so the skin can absorb what you're actually going to put on it. Then the queen of all the barrier system, the Everything Left serum, works magic with its blend of specialty ingredients with NAD plus ceramides, NMN, peptides, and an assortment of products that are ingredients that actually help to go down deep into the dermis, repair the skin. So when you look at how your skin is now versus a month from now or 3 months from now, you are going to see a big change. What you're looking for firmer skin. You're looking for vitality in your skin. You're also looking for minimized pigmentation. So the pigmentation is lessening. All the things that you see that you go through from a hormone standpoint, from a sun damage standpoint, even sugar damage is hard to repair, but you'll start to see the skin having more firmness. And that's what you're looking for in a biobarrier repair system. This is what helps your skin go from yucky, like you're getting to 40, you're getting over that hump there, and you're all of a sudden seeing what happens when you go through menopause and what happens after years of really not kind of taking care of your skin. You now have a new availability to regenerate from a topical skincare system. And I have to tell you, you don't need a celebrity budget to have celebrity skin. What you really need is a system that works, and that's the Skin Diva Labs biobarrier system. And it's 5 products. It's easy peasy, and I'll leave the link down below in the description. And check it out, especially the Everything Left serum. So I want to ask you, what celebrity skin do you desire to have the most? Who's got the most amazing skin? And real deal, not plastic surgery, but the real deal skin. Put the name down below, and in my next videos, I'll break down what they're using and what they could be doing for treatments. And Diva, if you're on the same trends as I am, talking and listening and learning about regenerative skincare and what you can do to have longevity in your skincare, you gotta check out my next video. See it there.